The whole process is automatic staging without pasting the point. Click the scan button. The scanning speed is very fast. Will be ready in any second. After scanning, the software will display the scanning result. Click the check mark. It will automatically splice with the previous one. The model doesn't need to paste the points. It is automatic identification, automatic staging. Then this model can be exported to be a STL file.